Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to cook sausage pizza. It's delicious. Subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to post notification bell. So every time I upload my video, you're always updated. Thank you. First, we have to cut the side bread, the whole bread, and then you have to flatten. We have to flatten the wet bread. I use wet bread. So it's the same process. And then we have to put spray olive oil or butter, and then we have to put the loaf bread. So we have to apply ketchup, it's very delicious, guys. This is second time, but it's different flavor, no? And then add mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese. So you have to put another top of loaf bread. So what I said, I use wet bread, and then the same process, but in the second time I mix with barbecue sauce and ketchup. And then again we have to put the mozzarella cheese. You have to try, it's very delicious, believe me. So I cut the mozzarella cheese and shredded and add cheddar cheese. And then add chicken, sausage, the flavor is apple. And then add bell pepper, pineapple, olive, onions, green olive. I put green olive too. So it's really good, guys. You have to try. My husband love it, my kids. So the last time I made chicken. So now this is chicken sausage. So now I shredded mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese. So thank you to all my silent viewers, subscribers, followers. Thank you so much. And supporters, thank you for support my channel. Please don't skip the ads. And add barbecue sauce, sugar free. And then I bake it 355 for 45 minutes or 50 minutes. So last but not the least, I add Italian seasoning or dry parsley leaves. So thank you. So we have to put this in, we have to bake it 350 for 45 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. As you can see, our pizza is ready to serve. So it's so yummy, guys, and smell really good. You have to try it. It's very, if you don't know how to make a dough, then very easy. You have to flatten the loaf bread and that's it. So now it's up to you, whatever you put the ingredients in your, or you mix sausage and chicken or beef or pork. So our pizza is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and likes. Thank you to all. So we have to try it. As you can see, guys, it's very cheesy. Very delicious. Thank you, and God bless. Subscribe my channel and please don't skip the ads. Thank you so much. And to all, thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.